I'm going to show you how I make this super classy bathing suit using this cheap jersey fabric. Without further ado, let's get into it. First, I put my fabric on the ground. Then I'm going to cut out 4 straps. So this bathing suit is very strappy. I have a lot of straps on the shoulder. So first, I'm going to cut out the shoulder straps. This is my first one I'm showing you. Then I'm going to take my training bra and I'm going to trace that as my pattern for this bathing suit. I'm taking my time, I'm drawing the lines as precise as possible, and I'm going through it. Then I'm going to cut out my pattern. I'm taking my time going through the scissors and just cutting out the pattern as precisely and as neatly as possible. Then I'm cutting out a piece for the back. I'm using about 4 inches. Next, I'm taking my bathing suit bottom and placing it on my fabric. I'm using my chalk to trace the pattern the way that I want. I'm going a little wider than the regular bathing suit because I need to leave some seam allowance. Then I'm taking my scissors and I am cutting out the pattern that I just drew. The back is finished. Now I'm about to cut the front. I fold the bathing suit so that only the front piece is visible, and I'm using my scissors to just gently and slowly cut off all the excess fabric. I fit it on myself, it fits perfect. Now I'm showing you all my pieces. I have 4 straps, I have a back, and I have the 2 bathing suit. Now I'm taking it to the machine and I'm stitching the front together because I'm doubling it. That way my lady bits are not popping out. Now I'm about to sew my straps together. I fold it in half and I'm stitching it at about a 1/4 inch all the way down. I really enjoy making my own clothes. Then I'm taking a pin and I'm turning the strap inside out. Push, push and pull. Now I'm stitching the back of the bathing suit to the front of the bathing suit bottom. Take it back to the machine and I'm giving it a nice firm stitch. That way it won't rip. I'm doing the other side. Nice firm stitch. I'm doing back and forth to give it a good stitch. Now I'm fitting it onto my body. It fits like a glove. It looks gorgeous. Just look at that. Gorging. Now I'm moving on towards the front of the bathing suit. Fit it onto my boobs. So I have my little straps and I fold them into 2. I put them onto the fabric because I double it. I always double it. I don't want my nipple popping out. I want to be able to wear this comfortable. Now I'm taking it to the machine and I'm stitching the fabric with the straps already in place. This is perfect. This way I don't have to fight with the straps at the end. If you've watched other tutorials, you see how much I fight to put the straps in. Now the back is also doubled. When I say double, I mean I have 2 pieces of fabric that are identical. I'm stitching this as well using a regular top stitch. Now I'm turning the back inside out. That way everything lays extremely flat, and then I'm going to pin that to the front part of the bathing suit. I stitch it together and we're all done. Look at this masterpiece. Do enjoy. Thank you guys for watching. Have a super awesome day.